Once upon a time in the whimsical town of Everglow, there lived a curious little girl named Luna. She had a heart full of wonder and eyes that sparkled with excitement. Luna's house was a rainbow-colored cottage on the edge of the enchanted forest, and her best friend was a magical bunny named Sparkle. One sunny morning, Luna discovered a mysterious invitation on her doorstep. It was an invitation to the Grand Carousel Gala at the heart of Everglow, a carousel said to have the power to transport its riders to magical realms. Luna's eyes widened with delight. And she knew this was an adventure she couldn't miss. As Luna arrived at the Grand Carousel, she marveled at its towering spires adorned with sparkling lights. The carousel's magical horses, unicorns, and dragons seemed to come alive, inviting Luna to hop on for a fantastical journey. The carousel began to spin, and Luna found herself soaring through the skies, passing through clouds that tasted like cotton candy. The first stop on Luna's enchanted adventure was the Candyland kingdom, where lollipops grew like trees, and gumdrop mountains sparkled in the sugary landscape. Luna giggled with joy as she danced with candy fairies and rode on licorice swings. The Candyland king, a jolly gingerbread man, gifted Luna a magical candy wand that could make any treat she wished appear. Next, the carousel whisked Luna away to the Stardust Meadows, where flowers twinkled like stars and gentle breezes carried whispers of dreams. Luna met Stardust sprites who painted the sky with radiant hues, and a celestial unicorn named Celestia bestowed upon her a silver key that could unlock secret wishes. Luna's heart brimmed with gratitude as the carousel spun once more, taking her to the Enchanted Sea. Mermaids with tails of iridescent scales greeted her, and Luna joined them in a dance beneath the waves. The Ocean Queen gifted Luna a seashell locket that held the calming whispers of the sea. But Luna's adventure was far from over. The carousel soared to the Moonlit Mountains, where friendly yetis played snowball fights and aurora foxes painted the northern lights across the sky. Luna discovered a hidden cave where a wise old owl named Orion shared stories of the past and future. As Luna reached the final realm, the Midnight Gardens, the carousel slowed. Here, the flowers glowed in the moonlight, and magical creatures whispered secrets of courage and kindness. Luna met the Guardian of Dreams, a majestic phoenix, who entrusted her with a golden feather that would guide her back home. As Luna descended from the enchanted carousel, she found herself back in Everglow, clutching the golden feather. The Grand Carousel Gala had ended, but Luna's heart swelled with magical memories. The next morning, Luna awoke with a golden glow around her. The magical gifts she received in each realm had manifested in her room. Candy trees, stardust lamps, an enchanted seashell, a celestial unicorn plush, and a bouquet of moonlit flowers surrounded Luna, turning her room into a magical haven. From that day forward, Luna's adventures continued in Everglow, where she shared the magic of the carousel realms with her friends. The enchanted forest became a place where imagination knew no bounds, and Luna's heart, forever enchanted, sparkled like the stars. And under the moonlit sky, Luna's enchanted carousel adventure became a cherished tale in Everglow, a story of curiosity, friendship, and the magic that resides in every little dreamer's heart.